Ale tu, Seif Chefuyak Colleen, Umasea. Hello, my name is Colleen and I'm Homa. I'm part of the Homa Language Project, and today I'm going to be going over the alphabet. So let's get cracking. A, ba, cha, ta, e, fa, ha, I, ka, la, tha, ma, na, pa, sa, ta, on, wa, ya. So you may have noticed we don't have the O vowel, and we have long, short, and nasal vowels for all the ones we do keep. Also, that D you heard sounds like a T. D and T are generally used as the same letter in Uma. D is used at the beginning of a word, and T is used throughout words otherwise. So those are a few quick, interesting tidbits about Uma. I hope you enjoyed hearing the sounds of the alphabet, and check back with us for more videos. Pesa la chekeni!